Hi, my name is Sandeep Kaur and my project name is AI Powered Career Path Engine. So this is my individual reflection from this project. So here's the project overview. AI is basically a machine learning that provides tasks that require human intelligence. The sole purpose of the project is to provide the qualitative career advice to the students according to their academic records, skills, set interest. We have developed wireframe of the AI-based career advisor based on class groups selected by student and details entered. AI will giving career advice. So here is stakeholders and role. Our lecturer is Rajya Lakshmi and tutor is Elizabeth Nain, supervisor Vishal Shah, and the client is Superior Chaudhary. So here's the name of project team: Sandeep Kaur Kharod, me, Nikunj, Tejinder, and Sumit. Tools and technology. For designing of the application for AI powered career path engine, we have used wireframe technology, which helped us in making the static decision of complete application for our system. The tool used for making a wireframe is Walasmic wireframes. It provides us great tools for designing of interactive applications. So here are the user stories which I have choose for me to complete this project. As a student or a user, I can check my analysis which is done by the advisor online. As an advisor, I want to understand what career my students may hold. As a school administration, will be collecting student academic records and extra activities performance for advising student for better career. As an advisor, I require to maintain the records of the student for the future reference. As a school admin, we would be evaluating if the payment options are reasonable or not. As an admin, I would be recommending good schools for the student for the better future. As an admin, I want access to all contests to check it. As a school admin, we would be evaluating if payment options are reasonable or not. As a student, I want to have my account so that my counseling details should be done by me only. As a user, I want to check the due amount or to be paid after getting the service. So here is the Gantt chart which we created. So we came up with the plan and specify what works we will doing and in what amount of time. Likewise, we created the Gantt chart providing the timeline and schedule for the works to be done. Like any other project, it starts from doing the research work, creating the user stories and designing the project outlet. So here is the contribution. Like this is the work that I have done to this project. So there are various sprints which are a part of the task and I have completed various tasks in each sprint. I put myself in the shoes of my students needing career counseling to apply stream specific knowledge to my project. I generated wireframe for the student's profile based on their inputs and the counselor will have job advice based on that. I have added alerts so that in case any step is missed by the student while filling the forms, then they get to know from that and they correct it accordingly. I have made wireframe interrelated with students' result and outcome based on their inputs and on the basis the counselor will have a career advice. I have created the contact us wireframe and worked on the alert wireframe. Uh, I put myself in the shoes of students needing career counseling to apply stream specific knowledge. I studied how to create wireframe and how they will function in real world situation. I made more payment related wireframe like type of cards to be attached or used or the mode of payment to be used. I worked on creating these payments related wireframes. I applied my field specific knowledge to my study by imagining myself in the shoes of a user looking for assistance with their job. I structure my process in this manner and worked on my assignment appropriately. I researched how to design payment wireframe and how they will work in the project. So this is the evidence of work of the wireframe which I have done. So this is a student's profile page. After clicking OK on confirmation page, user will be redirected to student's profile page. In student's profile page, there are four options. One is to see advisor's review, second one to get payment slip, and third one is for cancelling the counseling, and the fourth is to get email of advisor's review. To get to advisor's review, click on first button named advisor's review. On clicking on advisor's review, user will redirect to select analysis type page. So here is a contact us page. Like if the issue issue will be happened in the future, the users are facing is not resolved, then they can contact using these helplines number or contact customer support mails. So the another page is about the confirmation. After successfully payment from card payment page or PayPal page, a user will redirect to confirmation page. On confirmation page, user will receive a confirmation that that dear review counseling has been done by AI based system. Now to check the counseling advice, user should go to my review section. So this page is related to type of card page. If user selects pay using debit credit card option in payment option page, then user will redirect to choose type of card page. In choose type of card page, user will given four options of card out of which he or she has to select any one. The four options and American Express, Discover card, credit card, Mastercard, and Visa card. Out of these four cards, user has to select one and then click on continue button. After clicking continue button, user will be redirect to payment page where he or she have to enter card details. After entering the complete information according to their respective class group, students will be redirect to payment details page where payment details are visible to student, and the details available in payment details page are names, email, student ID, date of counseling charges, services tax, total amount and total amount to be paid. Payment details page also has option for entering the promo code. If user has a promo code, or she should enter the code in the next field beside enter promo code level and then click on proceed to payment button. On clicking proceed to payment button, student will redirect to payment option page. So this is the flow chart which we have made for our project. It is done by all the team members. Flowchart of the working of the application, which includes a complete functionality of the application, how application will work, how it will change the state on having different inputs. The flowchart shows that first our program will go to the welcome page. There we will get three option, either to log in, sign in, login login a guest. After following the procedure for the selected one, we will redirect to its true and details from we will having different forms for 10th or 12th. and ninth of to 8th to 9th students. After that we will get a choice to choose for having result in it in different and graphically representation, which are graphs, pie and line chart. After that we will redirect to payment, where we can use any type of card. We can pay using PayPal. In any of these cases, after successfully completion of the payment application, will direct to advisor's review, where we will seeing the analysis done by artificial intelligence system of career counseling. So this flow chart is related to artificial intelligence, and we all are worked on this flow chart. The AI model will be first deciding of giving counseling on the basis of whether the students of 9th, 8th or 10th, 12th. If students select options of 9th, 10th, artificial intelligence will suggest arts on based on area of interest. It would be history or law, geography, commerce. If area of interest in the business or finance management, or science, math. If student have interest in physics, chemistry, math, science, uh, and this trend has interesting physics, chemistry or biology, student will also suggest optional subject which he or she can take based on their secondary interest. Optional subject as sociology, information practice, math, computer science. If students select option of 10th to 12th, then artificial intelligence suggests them Bachelor of Arts. If they bent is from art stream, Bachelor of Commerce, Bachelor of Business Administration. If this trend is from commerce stream, then the student from science and math stream, they will suggest Bachelor of Computer Application. If student is from science biology, then artificial intelligence will suggest Bachelor of Science, Bachelor of Dental Science, MBBS to the student for the better future of the students. Here is the product security. We also worked on that. The accounts, personal details of clients and advisors review are completely safe in AI powered career path engine. As our product is having debit, credit and PayPal payment options, so it is very necessary that design should take security concern. Our product is having completely safe and secure payment portal and gateways. Conclusion: AI powered career path engine is an AI based online career advisor which provide a career advice to the student. It is an application for best career advice for students. It gives career advice to students based on their field of interest. Thank you.